Various organizations of persons with disabilities benefit from the Ang Dating Daan 35th anniversary celebration. Precious Ong will tell us why.
The Guinness Book of World Records official adjudicator Fortuna Burke Melham was not only emotionally touched by the songs of praises during the Old Path's 35th anniversary celebration, she was also overwhelmed by the various charity works of the program, especially for the disabled persons. The longest-running religious program, Ang Dating Daan, celebrated its 3.5 decades of being on air through giving of gifts and financial assistance to almost 2,000 persons with disabilities. 11 organizations of persons with disabilities were given by the Old Path and members of Church of God International 100,000 pesos, each to support their needs and to have a small start for a livelihood. Among these groups are Marikina Persons with Disabilities Federation Incorporated and Parañaque Association of Persons with Disabilities. They say it will be such a big help for them, especially to their indigent members.
First time po namin naka-receive ng ganito at ang laking tulong po nito sa aming federation. Kasi po alam nyo, napakarami po ng member namin ng indigent and panghanap buhay ang gagawin namin dito sa binigay sa amin ng Dating Daan.
Nakakataba ng puso at talagang very touching yung message ni Brother Eli. Kasi hindi namin inisip na si Brother Eli ay meron palang ganong puso. Yung puso talaga niya, ginamit niya para doon sa mga less fortunate people na katulad namin.
In addition to these, through a raffle draw, 30 persons with disabilities luckily brought home with them cash amounting to 30,000 pesos each. One of them is Jericho, who is suffering from a bone disease and who will be celebrating his birthday. Meanwhile, 20 new wheelchairs were also distributed by Ang Dating Daan and members of Church of God International. This is aside from the cash gift and grocery items for 1,638 persons with disabilities who attended the event at the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Was really impressive. It was really emotional, and it was also really powerful. There was lots of charity work that came about here today, and it was incredible to see so many people coming together and doing so much good.
Ipinagpapasalamat po natin sa Panginoon na meron po kaming opportunity. Alam nyo, yung pagpunta nyo po dito sa amin, ipinagpapasalamat namin sa Diyos dahil nabigyan kami ng opportunity na makagawa po ng aming tungkulin. Kaya salamat po sa Diyos sa inyong pagparito.
Precious Ong reporting for Y News.